In this session, we will learn about the Tribal Support Scheme DBT dashboard. Under the Tribal Support Scheme, a one-time benefit of 750 rupees is generated for patients notified from a TU which is designated as tribal. The objective of this dashboard is to provide a performance overview of the Tribal Support Scheme so that action items can be identified at the click of a button. The date filter of this dashboard refers to the notification period. For a selected period, this dashboard analyzes the number and amount of benefits payable versus paid and the number of beneficiaries associated. This dashboard is updated on a daily basis. Thus, at all times, the dashboard populated is updated as of yesterday. This dashboard analyzes the performance of the Tribal Support Scheme for patients diagnosed during the selected period, whose current treatment health facility is in the selected geography. To view the underlying beneficiaries and benefits, the Benefit Register and Beneficiary Register from the NickShare Reports portal may be referred. In the Tribal Support Scheme's summary view, two funnel charts are provided to provide a performance summary of beneficiary status and benefit status. Let us understand the various indicators in the beneficiary status funnel chart. In the selected district, there are a total of 12,556 beneficiaries or patients notified during the period, whose diagnosis or current treatment health facility falls in a tribal area. There are 133 patients who have foregone incentives under the scheme. For 2,151 patients, that is, 17% of the total cases, the bank details are not entered. Once the bank details are entered, incentives under both the NPY scheme and the tribal scheme can be paid to these beneficiaries. Thus, for the balance 82%, that is 10,272 patients, bank details are available. Up to this indicator, count of total beneficiaries is considered as a denominator for percentage calculation. Thus, these blocks in the chart are indicated by a blue color. For the remaining indicators, count of cases where bank details are available is considered as denominator and therefore, these are indicated by a different color. There are 104 cases where bank details are sent to PFMS for validation and response is pending. There are 88 cases where the bank details have been edited after validation. Thus, they are pending with DBT Checker user for approval. For 858 patients, that is for 8% of cases, the bank details are in rejected status. And for the balance 90%, that is 9,222 cases, the bank details are validated and thus, benefit payments can be processed. Thus, the first action item identified is to update the bank details for these 2,151 patients. The second action item identified is to review and update the bank details of these 858 cases where the bank details are rejected by PFMS so that they can be sent again to PFMS for validation. The third action item is review and approval of these 88 cases by the DTU.